What is up everybody, welcome to another exciting Canva tutorial. Today we are going to be creating this flyer using Canva. Let's get started. First up, you open Canva, you want to create a design, and then for the dimensions I used 1080 by 1530 for this particular design. Next, you create new design, wait for the page to load, change the background to pink, then you select a cupcake. So I placed it nicely and then I just cropped the sides, to make it easy to move. I had the background removed using remove.pg. If you are using the Canva Pro account, you can remove it using Canva. Hold Alt click and then drag to duplicate. Reduce the brightness, the saturation and all of that for the duplicated image. Increasing the blur and then all of that. So I reduce all of these and then I crop it down. Place it carefully. Hit the Control, Alt and then right square bracket to take it all the way back, and you can see it's created a nice shadow effect. Next, look for abstract ink. Place it just as you see there. Duplicate it. Scale some up, some down, and adjust them as you see. Kind of like to create a semicircle around the cupcake. You flip some to prevent it from looking like it's a duplicated image, as you can see. So I keep duplicating it and adjusting it like so. So you keep adjusting till you are satisfied with what you've got. Bring the cupcake forward. Next, change the color to white. Apply it to all of them. Search for watercolor paint splash. Arrange them nicely. Search for golden confetti. Apply dual tone to this to change the color. I keep the highlights are pink and then the shadows I change it to white just to create a nice effect. Now to duplicate it easily, you can either hit Ctrl plus D to duplicate, or you hold Alt and then you click on an element and then you drag. That's how to create a duplicate. Next, I search for the price tag. Then I change the colors to pink. Change the tint of the cupcake to look a little more pinkish. I hit my T to bring up the text box and then I write my information. I'm going to change the off to League Spartan, but the 20% is left at Canva Sans. I reduce it or I scale it down and then I change the color to white, just as you see there. Left align it so that everything is nicely aligned. Then I hit T again and I put in some more information. Change it to Pacificio, or however you're going to mention it. Make a few adjustments, change the color, and then it's looking alright. I'm going to add some more text. For this particular text, I'm going to use League Spartan. Scale it down. I adjusted the line spacing, stretch so that all of the text is in one line, just to make it nicer, just a little more tweak. give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to my channel for more similar videos. I'll see you in the next video.